Hello. Uh, I'm doing a tier list personally. What I personally find are the best regions. Um, I will not be putting any regions I have visited in F tier. Any regions I have not visited will just go into F tier. That does not mean that I don't like them. That just means I don't know them yet. Okay. So I spent like half a second. Oh god. Oh, maybe I should have learned how to use this first. Okay, good. Um, so I have not been to Rubicon. Vents, I think, is Vents just Underhang? I have not been to here. Filtration system I have been to. Struts, I don't think I've been to Struts. I have not been to Vagaira. Filtration system, I'm just currently sorting out all the stuff I have not been to. Looks to the moon. I have not been to waterfronts. And Metropolis. Sky Island. Now please not. F2 just means I haven't been there yet. And Farmer. I have not been to Farm. God, these ads are annoying. Uh, I have not been to Submerged. Or Rot. Silent Constructs. Run. Yeah. I think, yeah, these are the regions I've been to. Okay. So, in arguably S tier, I am putting Garbage Waste. I love Garbage Wastes. Outskirts, I mean, it's a bit easy, honestly, but I like it. Um, I really had a bad time with the Underhang, so Deer Sea. Emery Crypt, I mean, it was okay, but it was kind of boring. I liked Looks to Moon. What was a common list? Shoreline? I think Shoreline is good in A. Chimney Canopy. Yeah, I was gonna put the wall down here real quick. Okay, the leg, I liked the leg. Shaded, I will be putting Shaded in D tier personally. This is like filtration system. I didn't have a great time with Underhang, but it's okay. Subterranean, I only really visited filtration systems. The whole, I can't say much. The depths, good vibes. A tier. Five Pebbles, challenge, zero gravity was nice. Yeah. Uh, Drainage system. First time there was an absolute nightmare, but now I like it. Uh, A tier. The wall goes in B tier. I was nice going down. I never went up the wall. Uh, I mean, industrial complex has to go high. This industrial complex is it's an S tier region. Well, this is my a rating, please don't. Again, this is just where I haven't been yet. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed.